Good morning, everyone. My name is Ahmad Sururi. Today, I will present the website development process based on the Gantt chart shown in the instruction. Let's go through each step in detail. First, when does this project start? The project begins in January, starting with the planning phase. This is the foundation of the entire project, where we determine the objectives and scope. Second, how many steps need to be assigned? The project consists of 6 main steps, which are number 1, planning, number 2, wireframing, number 3, design process, 4, front-end development, 5, back-end development, and 6, deployment. Each of the steps is crucial for the successful completion of the project. When does each task begin and end? Let's look at the schedule in detail. Planning runs from January to February. Wireframing starts in March and ends in April. The design process follows in May and June. Front-end development takes place between July and September. Back-end development occurs in October and November. And finally, deployment is completed in December. This ensures the project is well organized and flows smoothly from one phase to the next. Fourth, which tasks need to wait for another task to complete before it can be started? Some tasks are dependent on the completion of previous tasks. Wireframing can only begin after the planning phase is finished. The design process starts once wireframing is completed. Front-end development depends on the completion of the design process. Similarly, back-end development requires front-end development to finish first. Lastly, deployment depends on all other tasks being completed. Fifth, which tasks can be processed in parallel with another task? Certain tasks can overlap. The end of wireframing can overlap with the design process. Some aspects of front-end development and back-end development can run in parallel as seen in October. This parallel processing helps save times and ensure efficiency. 6. How long does the overall project take? The entire project is designed to be completed within 12 months, starting in January and ending in December. This structured timeline ensures that every phase has enough time for quality work. In conclusion, the project begins with planning, followed by wireframing, and moves into the design process. Then we proceed to front-end development, followed by back-end development, and finally, we complete the project with deployment in December. Using this well-organized schedule, we can ensure the project is completed on time and meets all requirements. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, I will happy to answer. If I have a mistake, I apologize.